guys, Harshang Salvi this side, your host, you're watching Techno Blend, and today we are going to talk about the Speedy. You don't know who Speedy is? It is Samsung F62. They call it Speedy. Let's start with the video and watch how fast it is. After Samsung F41, Samsung has come up with its new Samsung budgeting smartphone in the F series market, which is Samsung F62. The Samsung F62, which they call the Speedy smartphone, comes with an Samsung flagship level 7nm Exynos 9825 processor. The processor gives you the best experience in gaming as well as the multitasking. So gaming guys and multitaskers, the fun is going to be in 200 for you.
सर स्पीडी ने आज ऑफिस पार्टी रखी है. He is not invited you, sir.
Speedy,
Yes, sir.
get the strategy deck ready, make the changes in data and send it to CMO. Chop chop.
Sure, sir.
Galaxy F62 powered by flagship Exynos 9825 processor. For those who multitask the full-on speedy way.
The Samsung F62 comes with an 7000 mAh battery, which gives you all day long battery life, and you don't need to worry about the battery while you are playing games or doing your office work.
Speedy.
No school? So chal, let's see if you can beat my score.
Galaxy F62 with long-lasting 7000 mAh battery for those who play the full-on speedy way.
The Samsung has also provided an 25-volt Type-C USB fast quick charger for you inside the box itself. Talking about the aspect ratio of the phone, the Samsung F62 comes with an 20:9 ratio, and the Samsung screen given is 6.7-inch screen with a full HD S AMOLED Infinity O display, which gives you the best experience of entertainment and gaming fun. Samsung has come up with a new design on its backside with 3 colors. In this variant, you will get a laser green, laser grey and laser blue, which will comes with a shady effect with a laser-like lines on the backside. Talking about the backside of the phone, the Samsung F62 comes with a unique shape for its camera assembly. The Samsung F62 consists of 4 cameras, which comes with 5 megapixel of depth camera, 5 megapixel of macro camera, 64 megapixel for its main camera, and 12 megapixel for ultra wide. And Samsung front camera comes with 32 megapixels, and the most important thing, Samsung F62 comes with an latest Android 11 with an One UI 3.1.
Hey, are you ready? Count 1, 2, 3, strut. Hey, are you ready? Count 1, 2, 3, strut.
Along with this, the Samsung F62 comes with a fingerprint scanner and a fast face unlock to give you the best experience in security purpose also. Talking about the most important part in a smartphone and everyone cares the most is the storage part. The Samsung F62 comes with a 6GB RAM and 128GB variant and 8GB RAM and 128GB of variant. The Samsung F62 comes with a 2 hybrid dedicated SIM slot plus 1 expandable memory card slot, which can be expanded up to 1 terabyte. This is all about the Samsung F62. What do you think about the Samsung F62? Please mention below down in the comment box, and please let me know, are you going for it or not. The Samsung F62 is going to be available for the sale on 22nd of February at 12 noon. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel Techno Blend.